Okay, I have a simple but powerful effect to share with you today. So as you can see, I have a well-shuffled deck of cards. I've been working with the cards all morning. So what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to assume I have two spectators. A spectator A on the left, spectator B on the right. And so what I need you to do is use your intuition to decide whether a card you select is red or black. So in particular, spectator A, keep red cards if you believe they're red cards and discard them here if you think they're not. Spectator B, your goal is to keep black cards and discard the red. So why don't we do a few rounds for practice? So spectator A, go ahead and just pick up the top card. Now I don't have a spectator, so I'm going to have to do all the work here. So spectator A would pick up the top card and decide, okay, is this red or not? And maybe they'll think, it's not red. Okay, that's fine. Spectator B, pick up the next card. Is this black or not? You think it is. Okay. What about spectator A? Is this red? You think it is. Spectator B, you don't think this is black. Spectator A, is this red? You think it is. Spectator B, do you think this is black? You don't. Okay. Well, let's just take a look at how well you guys did. Well, this is the discard pile, so that's looking interesting right there. But how did each of you do? Spectator A, did you... Oh boy, check that out. Your goal was to detect and keep red cards, and you nailed it. What about spectator B? How did... Oh, check that out. You both did perfectly. That is amazing. Okay, so we're off to a good start. So why don't we continue? So you guys know how it works now. So spectator A, keep it if it's red, discard if it's black. Okay, you want to discard. You want to keep that one. Keep. Okay. Keep that one. Discard. Keep. Okay. Keep that one. Sorry. Keep that one. Discard that one. Discard that one. Keep. Discard. Sorry, I keep picking up more than one card. You want to keep or discard? Keep. Okay. Keep as well. Discard. Wow. Keep. Discard. Keep. Okay. Discard. Keep. Discard. Keep. Keep that one. Okay. Keep that one as well. Discard. Keep. Discard. Oh, discard. Sorry, I didn't follow your instructions. Keep or discard? Keep. Okay. Keep. Discard. Keep. Almost done. Discard. Keep. Final one. Keep. Okay. Wow. So let's check out how you both did. Your practice run was perfect, if you remember. Of course, this is the discard pile, so there's a mixture of red and black in here, so maybe not a surprise. So how did each of you do? Let's just check it out here. So let's take a look here. So spectator A, how did you do? Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, you were supposed to just keep the red. Oh boy. How did spectator B? Oh boy, I think you did worse. I think spectator B did worse. Okay, boy, I don't know how you guys nailed it on the practice and crashed and burned in the actual. You're wondering what's over here? Well, that's actually a written prediction that I wrote before we even began any of this. So we can probably take a look at that now that we've taken a look at your disastrous piles. So what did I actually predict would happen? Okay, so kind of a question here, two of them. All red or all black? Nope. No? Question mark. Okay. I thought that was the goal. Oh, wait, here's the real prediction here. Spectator A will have only even value cards. Even value. That's like 2, 4, 6, 8. Queen's a 12, right? Oh, boy, check this out. These are all even valued cards. How did you do that, Spectator A? Let's see, Spectator B, only odd value cards. There's just no way. Oh, wait. Oh, let's see, King to 13. That's I cannot believe this. How could this have been written before we even began the decision process? That is beyond belief. That is amazing. Well, even though you all did not succeed in what you set out to do, somehow you've still pulled off an impossible ending, given that your decisions were somehow anticipated before you even made them. Whoa, that is beyond belief. Okay, wow. So how does that work? Or how does this work? It's very easy. It's like trivially easy. Okay, so all you need for this, you just need to realize that there are 24 even value cards in the entire deck. There's 28 odd. Okay, so what I did was I set at the top. Now, I don't know if I actually followed the exact pattern of the card being even or odd, but the fact is somehow we've got to get rid of at least 4 of the odd values. And so what I thought to do is have the top 6 cards be part of the practice round that in some sense are going to be discarded, but do it in such a way that it looks like the spectators are succeeding. So the very top one was a red, and then black, red, black, red, black. Okay? And then these are, let's say, odd value. This one's even, and these two are odd. That, in some ways, you can rearrange these as long as you have the colors alternating. So that when you go to spectator A, and they decide whether to keep that first card, it doesn't matter if they keep it or discard it. They can't be wrong in terms of their pile of what they believe are red cards will be red for the practice rounds. Okay, same thing for the black because we're alternating colors. Okay, now from this point on, all of the cards will alternate even value for spectator A and odd value for spectator B. And so it doesn't matter what choice each of them makes in terms of what they keep and what they discard. It's guaranteed that what they keep, in the case of spectator A, will all be even value cards. And in the case of spectator B, it's guaranteed that their pile of cards that they decided to keep will all have to be odd valued cards. Okay, well, anyway, that's the secret. It's very simple but powerful. So I appreciate you watching and encourage you to take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.